What's good, people? Welcome back to the channel. It's your guy Lali, aka Mr. Lali Change the Mood, aka Mr. You Know the Vibes. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a Afro type beat for Drake or for WIZKID, or basically I'll be teaching you how to make an Afrobeat. I'll be basically teaching you how to make an Afro type beat. Without talking much, first of all, before I start the video, I just want to say a thank you to the few people who've subscribed to my channel. I do appreciate it. But then, by the way, according to my YouTube analytics, it's like about just 70%. It's just about like 30% of you guys who are subscribed to the channel. Like the rest of the 30%, y'all could do me a favor and then smash that subscribe button, like the videos. It will help out the channel and then it will boost my morale to bring you out more content. But then, with that out of the way, let me get straight right into the video. Alright, so we here in FL Studio 20 and I already made the beat, and this is like basically just a breakdown. I started with a sample from from Looperman. I started with a sample from Looperman, and I'll leave the link to Looperman in the description below. It's not a sponsored video, but then y'all can find, like, Looperman is a really nice place to find samples, find artists, collaborate, and then yeah, royalty free. You could just like, it's royalty free. All you need to do is credit the artist who did the sample, or credit the beat and the sample maker, and then also hit the sample maker up and then like, yeah, do some percentage or whatever. But then anyways, without talking much, this is the guitar melody. Without any effects, it sounds like this. So like, yeah, really nice sample. Then I added some effects to it. Let me come here into the playlist. So I added some effect to it. I added vocal doubler from Isotope. It's a free plugin. It's really good for vocals, and it's also good for guitar samples and other kind of samples. Like I turned the separation up, like separation to 25%, variation to 18%, and then reduce the mix to 62%. And then I added a fruity flanger, a flangus, and then reduced the mix to blend it a little bit in. I added a fruity delay. It's on, I think this is yeah, like the time is 8, like in the middle here. I don't really know what time. I think it's a half step delay. On ping pong, tempo sync, key pitch was off. I reduced the wet just in order to blend it in. Then I added a tape mellify. It was also free. I don't know if it's still free. It's from Arturia, I think. Yeah, it's a plugin from Arturia, and it's a really nice like analog plugin. Last but not least, I added a Valhalla vintage reverb. It's just the default. It's the default preset here. I turned the mix down to 31%, and yeah, basically that was it for the melody. And with all the effects, it sounds like this. I didn't even add no EQ. There was no need for an EQ because the sample was already really good. Then I added this shaker loop. This shaker loop I actually did myself. It was for a previous Afrobeat I did, but then this is what the shaker loop sounds like. And I also added this perk loop. Then I added another one. Yeah, just to fill in the pockets, you know, like Afrobeat is all about the grooves. And also what I did is I penned the first one hard left, the other one hard right, just to get it a little bit spacious so it won't be all in the mid, like in the middle, you know. So all together it sounds like this. Then I also added this melody. It's also another guitar from Lupoman. Like this just for the beginning, for the start. And this is actually, this one doesn't have any effect on it. It's like effectless.
Shut the fuck up, bitch.
Bro. And yeah, together it sounds like this. Then I also added this this preset from Arcade, just to have some ambience, some little ambience in the beats. It's from the Nobody Knows bank. It's basically sounds like this. I filtered it. I placed a bandpass filter on it. Added another vocal doubler, which is really nice. And then Magic Switch, also a really nice plugin. It's also free from Baby Audio. Valhalla Vintage Reverb, go-to for everyone. Kickstart, I happen to just have the trial version, the free version, but then it's also a really nice plugin. And then another EQ, making this mid cut here just in order to prevent it from clashing with the guitar melody, with the guitar sample, because like it's all in the mid frequency area and I don't want it to actually be like that much in front. I just want it to be laid back in the background. By the way, at 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to give away a copy of Valhalla Vintage Reverb for free to like a subscriber, to one lucky subscriber. So make sure to subscribe, make sure you share the video. Now straight to the drums. I actually layered 2 hi-hats. Like this is a hi-hat I made myself for another beat, and alone it sounds like this. Which I then happen to layer with this snare, and then with the snare together it then sounds like this. Yeah, nothing much, like nothing really crazy. Then I added this open head just to fill in some pockets. I also added this snare from the Chucky Beats drum kit. Like Chucky Beats really has some sauce for real. Shout out to Chucky Beats. It is a free, I think it's a free drum kit if I don't mistake myself. Yeah. Then I added this snare from Chucky Beats. It's also another pattern, and then I also added another rim, also from the Chucky Beats drum kit, and it sounds like this. Then another rim, like all to fill in some pockets. Like each and every rim, that's its own thing, and all the rims together sound like this. I added this kick. I also did, this is also my personal kick, like I did it myself. And then I actually played this this bass guitar from Contact. Like it's from the Contact library bank. Really nice bass guitar. Has a really nice sound to it. I do like it. Alone it sounds like this. I just followed the bass, the root notes from the melody. And then last but not least, like what's regarding the drums, I added this perk, this last perk. Just to fill in some space. And yeah, everything together sounds like this, like with all the drums, the shakers, and the main melody, it basically sounds like this. The last things I added were these beat breaks, because like what's an Afrobeat without a beat break, without a proper beat break? So like yeah, first of all I added this beat break. That was it for the drums and the main melody. But before I go on showing the rest of the beats, I do want to remind you, if you are not subscribed, please kindly do me a favor, hit the subscribe button. You will help me out a bunch. My goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the month, or at least by the end of next month, because I really want to do this YouTube thing full time, dedicate myself to it, because I'm a producer, a side hustle also. But yeah, a like and a sub would be amazing. These are some of the beat breaks I added to it. It's from a beat break pack. I've forgotten the name of the pack, but then I'll link it in the description below. And this is basically one of the breaks. This is a riser I've been using this riser for the past 3 years. Like now, I think I got it from a Nick Mirror drum kit or so. I have forgotten, but then it's simple and nice. Another drum break I actually used this here. This one, it's also a fill. Added this ambient sound. Don't ask me why, it just sounded dope. And then I added 2 claps, like one. I added 2 claps for the as an impact sound. This is clap number 1. Without any effects, it sounds like this. It's just a Valhalla reverb I used, and then the Homestar Blade Runner mixed on 100%, and then yeah, with it sounds like this. It has some kind of trippy sound to it. And then another clap that's also with reverb. I added reverb to it. Without it, it sounds like this. It's an ordinary clap with reverb, just to fill it up a little bit more, and together they sound like this. That's one commonly used style of crash in Afrobeat music. So the last thing I actually did was add my tag, which is this.
Lali changed the mood.
You know the vibes, it's only me who changes the mood like that. So then I basically just arranged the beats. I arranged it into 3 parts, like because it's in 100, because the BPM speed is 100, so it's basically like double timed. And because of that, every 8 bar is a 16th bar, you know. If like I think from 110 BPM downwards, every 8th bar is a 16th bar, and then from 111 BPM upwards, every 8 bar is an 8 bar, you know. So I just did 8 bar intro, an 8 bar build up, 16 bar hook, 16 bar verse, and then also an 8 bar part. Like I think I would call it 16 bar bridge. But yeah, that was it for the beat. Write and tell me in the comment down below what kind of beat I should do next for the video. Let's try to like the video as much as possible, add it to your playlist to watch it later on, and also a massive shout out to those people, to those who subscribe. By the way, at 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to give away a copy of Valhalla Vintage Reverb for free to like a subscriber, to one lucky subscriber. So make sure to subscribe, make sure you share the video, and also comment below what y'all want to see in the next video, because who knows, the lucky winner is gonna get something. Without talking much, I'ma peace out, and then I'll see you the next time. Till then, have a good day. Lali out. Peace.